Let us discuss the today's topic is book value. What is book value? Why it is important while in investing? Book value is nothing but it indicates the fair and accurate worth of the companies. Book value is the total assets and its liabilities. What are total assets? Total assets includes the machines, furnitures, vehicles, long-term investment, etc. What are liabilities? Liabilities is long-term debts, that is loan taken from other banks for a company's expansions or growth purpose, tax payable, wages. These are all the total liabilities of the companies. Let us discuss with an example to understand the what is book value. Let us take an example of ABC company, which is producing the plastic products, and its current market price is 180 rupees and its total number of shares is 10 lakhs, which is having the total assets is 12 crores, that is products, cash in hands, buildings, machines, etc. But its liabilities is 2 crores, that is loan taken from other banks for company's growth or expansion purpose. By this data we can calculate the book value of the companies. Book value of the ABC company is equal to total assets minus total liabilities, that is 12 crore minus 2 crores equal to 10 crores. But in balance sheets of the ABC company, book value can be measured in terms of book value per share. So we need to calculate the book value per share, that is nothing but the ratio of the book value of the company divided by the total number of shares, that is 10 crore divided by 10 lakh. So the book value per share of the ABC company is 100 rupees, what it is shown in balance sheet of the ABC company. So in this way we need to calculate the book value per share of any company. So we need to understand now the uses and importance of the book value per share while in investing in any stock. Let us discuss the importance and uses of book value per share. Let us take the same example of ABC company. If the ABC company is liquidate or bankrupt, then the company sells all its assets and pays all its debts or liabilities. So the person per share he will get is 100 rupees. Let us take an example. If I have 100 shares in ABC company, then I will get the total amount is 10,000 rupees, that is 100 shares into 100 rupees, that is book value per share that are mentioned in balance sheet is equal to 10,000 rupees I will get if the company is liquidate or bankrupt. So this is the uses of book value per share we need to check while investing in stock. Let us discuss more detail with the example of other stock. Let us take the example of IT Limited balance sheet, which is taken from one of the financial website, that is on 29th December 2021. The current market price of the ITC Limited is 220 rupees. Book value per share is 47.87. This shows if the company is liquidate or bankrupt, the person he will get per share after liquidation is 47.87 rupees. So this is the uses of book value per share. But some of the companies shows book value is negative. This shows that the company's liabilities are more than its assets. The liabilities for company's expansion or growth purpose. So in that situation we need to check brand or business or management of the companies. So this shows the book value is also important for long-term investors. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.